Stop wasting time on separate supplements. Get total wellness with PrimeBiome instead. Your skin and gut will thank you. Imagine a world where your skin glows and your gut is in perfect harmony. Meet PrimeBiome, the revolutionary supplement that's changing the game for health enthusiasts everywhere, packed with a powerhouse blend of natural ingredients like Coagulans, Babchi, Dandelion, and organic lion's mane. PrimeBiome isn't just a supplement, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Why juggle multiple products when one gummy can do it all? PrimeBiome's dual-action formula targets both skin and gut health. Say goodbye to tired, dull skin and hello to a fresh, youthful glow. And that's not all. Our gummies also promote digestive balance, reducing bloating and discomfort so you feel as great as you look. But don't just take our word for it. Thousands of users are raving about their smoother skin texture and improved digestion. PrimeBiome is the secret to their success, and it can be yours too. And the best part, it's risk-free. Try PrimeBiome with our 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't see the transformation, we'll give you your money back. No questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to start your journey to vibrant health with PrimeBiome today. Your skin, your gut, and your future self will thank you.